Hello and welcome to another episode of MCQs for Judiciary Exams. Let's begin. What power does Section 19 of the NGT Act 2010 give to the NGT? Power to make laws, power to amend the Constitution, power to appoint judges, or power to regulate its own procedure? The correct answer is option D, power to regulate its own procedure. Recently, in the Auroville Foundation versus Navroz Karsap's Moody and others case, the Supreme Court overturned a decision by the National Green Tribunal that had previously prohibited the Auroville Foundation from carrying out development projects in its township in Puducherry. Section 19 of the National Green Tribunal Act 2010 gives power to NGT to regulate its own procedure. The tribunal has jurisdiction over all civil cases involving substantial question relating to environment, including enforcement of any legal right relating to environment. Next, under which part of the Constitution is Article 226 enshrined? Part 3, Part 4, Part 5 or Part 6? The correct answer is option C, Part 5. Recently, in the Indian Oil Corporation Limited and others versus Somjit Roy Chaudhary case, the Calcutta High Court ruled that it is not within their jurisdiction to consider a writ petition when there is an available and suitable alternative remedy, specifically arbitration. Article 226 is enshrined under Part 5 of the Constitution, which puts power in the hand of the High Court to issue the writs. Next, what is the definition of arbitral tribunal under Section 2C of the ANC Act? Only a panel of arbitrators, a sole arbitrator or a panel of arbitrators, only a sole arbitrator, or a court-appointed judge? The correct answer is option B. Section 2C of the ANC Act provides that arbitral tribunal means a sole arbitrator or a panel of arbitrators. An arbitrator is a natural, neutral third party that acts as a judge in arbitration proceedings. Next, which article of the Constitution of India states that there shall be a president? Article 52, Article 50, Article 51 or Article 53? The correct answer is option A, Article 52. Article 52 of the Constitution states that there shall be a president. The President of India is the executive head of state and the supreme commander of the Indian Armed Forces. All the executive business of the country are carried out in the name of the President. Next, what is a check upon a banker under the Indian Penal Code? Document, counterfeit, valuable security, or none of these? The correct answer is option C. Section 30 of the Indian Penal Code defines valuable security. The words valuable security denotes a document which is or purports to be a document whereby any legal right is created, extended, transferred, restricted, extinguished or released, or whereby any person acknowledges that he lies under legal liability or has not a certain legal right. Now it's time for the practice question. In which case Section 127 of the Indian Evidence Act was held by the court to be constitutionally valid? Nathu versus State of Uttar Pradesh, Ram Bharose versus State of Uttar Pradesh, Devman Upadhyay versus State of Uttar Pradesh, or Pakalla Narayan Swamy versus Emperor? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.